I just want to say, I landed my first aircraft today. Yes! Thank you. They thought I couldn't do it, but I did it. 70,000 altitude. I was up there. I called in the tower. They said I was hot. I'm peri sauce hot. I did. Can't stop me. I did my first aircraft. Come do it like me. They can't do it like me. How low can you go? Can I hold to the low? I done it! Everybody, thank you, man, I did it! Oh, I'm so happy. My mum will be so proud of me right now. Thank you, mate! I did it! You done it! I did it! Oh, you done it! My mum will be so hard at me! Mommy, I knew it! Hey! I'm gonna show them. Gonna have to show them. Gonna have to Harlem shit. I did it. I done it first time. I landed it. Was that smooth? No one got hurt. No airplanes got lost. No one got lost. I didn't know the seats. I was moving lightning. Pew. Did it. I did it. I'm amazing. I'm the best. No one can beat me. I'm so amazing. Woo! Ah, yeah. Mommy, I'm so happy. Mommy! I knew I could do it. My first landing. Came up, came down. No one got hurt. Thank you, everyone. Hey. I did it, man. Mommy. Woo. Lord, I prayed before. I said, God, can you take me up and down? I went up, and everyone, I'm down. Thank you.
Goodbye.